What is up, guys? Welcome back. So today we are doing an impromptu kitchen makeover. My sister recently moved into her house. I told you guys that. And today, like, all of a sudden we were like, let's refresh the kitchen. She's in desperate need of some more counter space.
Not desperate.
Yeah, you are desperate. So we're not gonna spend any more than $300. So this is gonna be a $300 kitchen refresh. This is our shopping cart. It's looking more like a $500 refresh. And I got my sister and my brother Elijah, who's hiding right now. Oh, there he is. Say hi, Elijah. But anyway, let's go. We're already running late. See, you like that one up there. Okay, let's see if we can find it down here. Make sure you're adding this stuff up. We're gonna pick a paint color. Alright. We're kind of going, this is the inspo. She wants this like mustardy yellow.
It's not mustard. What's wrong with you? This is not mustard. This looks mustard. This looks mustardy. That's a mustard. This is not a mustard.
These are the two that we came down to, but I think we're gonna go with this one. It's called Escape Gray. So I think this is gonna be the most expensive thing because it looks like it only comes with one sheet and it's $10 per sheet.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so you might as well just like do your own backsplash. We don't know what to choose. What about that? That's kind of cool. That hexagon. I feel like I would like that more for a bathroom though. You guys, our $300 budget might not be a $300 budget anymore. This is our shopping cart. It's looking more like a $500 refresh. We'll see. Don't laugh. We're going to the Family Dollar because the Family Dollar actually has peel and stick because we are not going to get a backsplash for less than $200, at least to fill up the whole space. Oh snap. We just failed so. Guys, I mean, it looks cheap AF, but I mean, nobody's getting super up close to it.
Sure not. Sure not.
All right. Now we're off to Target or at the at-home store.
We're off to all three. Right here. Look, this is cute.
No. Oh.
I like that.
We can get a little succulent. Yeah, and then maybe get a candle. No, get one that's like aesthetically nice. Like one of these. Okay. This one.
I don't want that. Don't no energize it. No, we need relax.
All right, let's go. Hello guys, so today is a brand new day. It's actually the first day of the kitchen makeover. My sister is not here right now, but I'm gonna get started. We've already removed all of the hardware from the cabinets and we're about to do a funky kitchen refresh, okay? We're about to give this kitchen a facelift. All of this was not under $500 because we purchased this and we assembled it off camera because she needs a little bit more counter space. What we're gonna be doing is taking this down. We're gonna be painting the cabinets. I was gonna replace the hardware, but these cabinets, they need a latching hook to keep them closed. So we're actually gonna put the old ones back on, which is fine because they're silver and the sink faucet is silver too. So this is just a facelift for now. Eventually she will do a full kitchen reno, like knocking down the walls, expanding the kitchen, changing out the cabinets, putting new floor. But for now we're gonna give it a facelift. I did get some peel and stick tile for the floor. And then I also got some really affordable backsplash from Habitat for Humanity. When we went to Lowe's, the backsplash, like for a box of like 8 was $160. No. So we went to Habitat Restore and we got a big old box for like 10 bucks. So we got subway tile for 10 bucks. So we're gonna do horizontal subway tile all throughout here and all along the bottom wall. So yeah, let's get started. You're gonna have to use these again on the doors because these do not have the magnet.
No.
Bye.
Like one of those moments on reality TV is like, you put the camera away. I'm really upset. Why can't we go buy magnets?
Because I don't know how to install the magnet, and that's like so much. That's so much more work.
How do you plan on fixing them?
These are not hideous.
Like, shut up talking to me. Stop it. You're lying.
You guys, these are not.
Liar! These are hideous. Paint them. I need them to be at least be gold.
Well, this is what I was gonna say.
These look like a freaking came off a car or something.
I knew that you were gonna say
I'm
that.
really sad.
Also, how like attached are you to gold because your faucet is silver?
I can go too.
Install a whole faucet.
Fine. For now, we'll keep it. Because you did make a valid point. That is still silver. Let's go have some magnets on these doors.
Let's paint it first because we can't do anything before then anyway, and then we'll figure it out from there.
Okay.
Alright, you guys, I'm about to try to take this cabinet down. I don't know if you've seen that meme of that girl. It's like a social media clip of this girl trying to take a cabinet down by herself, and it's you know what I'm talking about? That's honestly what I'm scared of right now.
It's a lot. It's not that heavy.
Oh. It's not resting on anything.
We can't catch an item now.
Hello guys, it's a brand new day and we are back in the kitchen. So we got a lot done last night. Before I show you, I just want to say we got a lot done, but it's still not like where it needs to be. You guys, every time I do a kitchen like makeover or any kind of makeover, I'm just like, I'm never doing this again, and I end up doing it again. Last time I did a backsplash, I said I'm never ever doing this again, and what did I do last night? I did another backsplash. Why? Let me show it to you. This is it. I mean, it turned out pretty good. Look at those spaces. Look at that spacing right there. Look at that spacing right there. So I still have to go through and put the grout on there. The last time I did a backsplash, like I mentioned before, was years ago. Like maybe 2 years ago, I did an office design. Yeah, I'll link it so that you guys can watch that. But I did a kitchen area kind of. It was an office that had like a sink and a counter, and so I like painted the cabinets. I did all this kind of stuff, and I did backsplash, but that was like 2 years ago. So I need to YouTube how to put the grout on after I place all the tiles. But this is what we've got so far. Last night we painted this off camera to match the cabinets. But the cabinets are now this like greenish gray. It looked more green in the store, to be honest, but it still looks pretty nice. She wants to put like a peel and stick on the countertop. So after we put the knobs on and do the backsplash, we'll start on that. And then I think the very last thing we'll do is add the peel and stick on the floor. And then also, I don't know if you guys can tell, but we did paint the walls. It's a slightly warmer, like off-white. Last time it was like a very hospital, like stark white color, and now it's way warmer. And I actually think that the like yellow warm undertone looks really good against the green cabinet. So we got a lot of work to do still, but it's coming along pretty well. Alright guys, I got here at noon and it's 2:45. It's taking me almost 3 hours to get all the little pegs and spacers out, clean it, and get it ready to put the grout in. What's up guys, it's the final day of the makeover. So I'm having a little bit of a dilemma because I painted this wall like a creamy off-white color. It has warm undertones. It just didn't occur to me that the floor that I picked out was more cool toned, and this is more warm tone, so it is clashing a bit for me. I was gonna repaint the whole room, but I decided that I'm just gonna leave it as is. You know, this is just a sprucing up. We are gonna do like a whole demo reno later down the line. For right now, I think I'm satisfied with it, but just so you guys know, if you are gonna pair the two, be aware of that. Also, some of these tiles are like coming up. Like there's some that are coming up. I don't know if you can see that, but I have to like go back and like re-push it down. So you might have to end up using some kind of super glue or something like that to get it to stick down to the floor, because if you have any bumps or curves in your floor, or if it's not completely clean, you will run into that problem. Overall, the floors turned out really good, but that's just something to keep in mind if you are gonna get this product. But anyways, we have 1 hour to finish up this kitchen and get everything styled and clean. I have to wipe down some surfaces because my sister's been using it. I don't have any more time. We just need to get some trim on the backsplash, get to cleaning and get to styling, and then I'll show you guys the final kitchen reveal. Hey guys, so today is the final day of the makeover. I know I said that about yesterday, but it took a little time to do the trim and it turned out pretty good. I think everything looks nice and like finished now. Even though this is a pretty amateur job, I think the kitchen is transformed and it looks really good. So I can't wait to show you guys the final transformation. But right now we're gonna go ahead and put those final decor touches around the kitchen. That's just gonna tie everything together and bring it to life. So I'm excited. That's always my favorite part in every single makeover. So let's get that done so I can show you guys the final reveal. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.